This is the finished product of the new headlamps. Of course, this is nighttime view. They look good. And when the floodlight goes out, I'll take a picture of what they look like against the garage door. I think we can do it right now. Sorry about the glare, but you can see that left beam is up on the handles, where the old beams, the top of it was just like the right beam straight across. Can't get that left beam to adjust whatsoever. The right beam, I did get it to lower, gave it better visibility, but on the left beam, it's not good. It's too high, and then when it's high beams, it's shooting way off. It's not hitting the road. It's up in the sky. Right beam's hitting the road, but you need that left beam to help you out. So negative rating on these. They look good as far as in the car, mounted in the car in the daytime, but for actual usage and driving purposes with the lights on, not recommended.